In this class, you will learn about request library in Python. So this library allows us to download files, images, and videos from over the internet. So let's create a folder called downloads. So I am using Sublime Text as my editor. So open this folder in Sublime Text and create a new file and save it as image.py. So import request library as import space request and then image underscore URL. Take a variable and use this variable to download the image. So search, open the Chrome and search for images. So like Paris. So look for image. Yeah, let me copy the image address of this image and paste it here. So this is the image URL to download the image. So and then r equal to request dot get image URL. So request library allows us to get the image URL and save that whole content in R. And then with open, take any name like python dot or python underscore logo dot png. You can take png or jpg, anything as wb. We are writing the image in a binary format to this python underscore logo dot png and taking as f. So we are renaming a whole thing to f. So we have to rewrite the binary format into the image. So f dot write and as r dot content. We are writing the whole content. So this is a little bit of code to download the image. So open command prompt and type for Python. So I have Python 3.8. And the another thing we have to do this thing is we need to install request module. Pip install a request. This command allows to download the request library. So all the things are satisfied. So run the file python space image.py. It will take a time to download the image. Now we can see the image. So this is the image I have downloaded from the Chrome. So let us take another image, copy the image address and do the same thing, paste here and run again. So here I did not change the image name like python underscore logo, so it will replace the content. So now you can see when I open this python underscore logo, the image is replaced. So let us change the thing. So like paris.png. So it will be won't rewrite. Now let me download this thing, copy for image address, and replace with this URL. So run again this image.py. Yeah, it's done. Now you can see paris.png. This is how we can download images from internet without using save as option.